With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hi, the question is, a rod AB of length 12 and mass m is laying on the horizontal frictionless surface. A particle of mass m traveling along the surface hit the rod at distance is L by 2 from center of mass with a velocity of V0 in the direction of perpendicular to the rod and the sticks to it. Now we have to find what is the angular velocity of the rod just after the collision. Clear? Now for this we consider this distance is what L by 2 and this is the center of mass of this rod and length is what 12 and this distance is what L by 2 and this particle velocity is perpendicular to this rod is V0. Clear? Now it is given that this is laying on the frictionless surface. It means what? Conservation of momentum. Momentum will conserve. So we have to apply the conservation of momentum. So about this o-axis, so we can write that. So from conservation of momentum, we can write from conservation of momentum. We can see that momentum before collision should be equal to the momentum after collision. So momentum before collision is what? M into V0. M into V0 and plus this rod is in rest condition before collision. So we can write M into 0. So this is what 0 is equal to, let us consider velocity of this center of mass is in this direction after collision is V. Then after momentum of this is what M into V plus momentum of the ball after collision that is equal to M into this is V plus this omega into L by 2 omega into L by 2 this because velocity at this point is what V and velocity of the center of mass and plus omega R and R is what here L by 2. So in this way we can write clear. Now from here we can see that V0 and we can take common. So V0 is equal to what? V plus V and plus omega L and divided by 2 we can write clear. Now from here we can write V0 equal to 2V and plus omega L and divided by 2. Clear? So let us consider this is the first equation. Now again we have to apply the conservation of angular momentum about the point O. So from conservation of angular momentum we can write from conservation of angular momentum we can write means initial momentum should be equal to the final momentum about the point O. So we can write here this is equal to mass of the ball into the velocity of the ball and velocity of ball is what? V0 and this is L by 2. This L by 2. So this is the angular momentum is equal to I into omega. This is the angular momentum of the rod I into omega and plus this is M into this velocity at this point we can write for the ball is equal to this V plus omega L and divided by 2 and into L by 2. Clear? So this and the I is equal to ml square by 2f. So here we have to use I equal to ml square and divided by 2f. So from here we can see that this M into V0 into L by 2 is equal to we can write this is I is what M L square and divided by 2L and plus we can write this M into V plus omega L divided by 2 into L by 2 we can write. Clear? Now from here M and M cancel out, so we'll get another relation and this V0 is equal to after simplifying and this is equal to V plus 7 into omega L and divided by 6. So this is the V. V0 equal to this So this is the another relation. Clear? Now from first and second, this relation is the first relation and this relation is the second relation. So from first and second we can write from first and second v naught equal to, in this v naught equal to this v and plus 7 omega L and divided by 6. Clear? And equal to v naught equal to this, from first equation you can see this v naught equal to 2v plus omega L divided by 2. So this is 2v and plus omega L and divided by 2. Clear? So from here we can write this is equal to v is equal to 7 omega L divided by 6 minus omega L and divided by 2. Clear? So from here we can find the v value. This v value is equal to 6. We can take LCM. So this is the 7 and 7 minus 3. So 4 into omega L. So v equal to, from here we can find this v is equal to 2 by 3 into omega L. Clear? Now, if you put this value in this equation, first or the second equations, you can put any of the equations. So from second we can write, now we have to write from second equation. So from second we can see that this second is equal to v naught is equal to v and plus 7 omega L and divided by 6. And v is what? This 2 omega L by 3. So we can put here. So v naught is equal to 2 omega L and divided by this 3, and plus we can write 7 omega L and divided by 6. Clear? Now from here we can find the omega value. So v naught is equal to 6. We can take LCM here. So this is equal to 4 omega L and plus 7 into omega L. Clear? So this is equal to, we can write v naught is equal to 11 omega L and divided by 6. So from here we can find the omega value, and this is the omega just after the collision. So this we can write, this omega is equal to, from here 6 into v naught and divided by 6 into v naught divided by 11 into L. So this is the required answer for this question. Clear? Hope this answered your question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.